Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading for September 2024. So, let's see what's coming to you. Unahin natin yung mga in a relationship na Taurus. Anong parating sa inyong relationship? What's coming? Yan natin for Taurus. The Nine of Pentacles. The King of Swords. The Ace of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, this is a new relationship. You may be dealing with a Virgo or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I feel like merong energy dito na may nai-insecure. Oo, pwedeng yung person mo, nakikita niya that you're someone who's very ambitious, successful in your life. And then parang may comparison about you tsaka sa kanya na pwedeng mas mataas or kino-consider niya na mas mataas yung sitwasyon mo or like yung estado mo sa buhay kaysa sa kanya. Kaya parang, alam mo yun, nagsi-self-pity na feeling niya hindi siya nakakasabay sa'yo or hindi niya kayang maibigay yung needs mo kasi kaya mo nang i-provide para sa sarili mo. Usually, ito yung nagiging problema ng mga relationship na may insecure sa sa na-achieve ng kanilang partner. O instead na suportahan, be proud, nakikipagkompetensya. Open relationship, family. Okay. No commitment. Siguro nanggaling kayo sa isang relationship na yung connection ninyo dati is open. Yung parang walang commitment, walang responsibility sa relationship until such time na nakabuo kayo ng sarili niyong pamilya. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng wala nang choice or yung tipong kailangan na talaga na mag-step up, no? Oo. I feel like someone is worrying. May nag-aalala dito about the future of your relationship. Kasi maaring mas malaki yung kinikita mo kaysa sa kanya na nisip niya, ano yung ambag niya. Minsan ganun yung iba, dramatic lang talaga, no? I feel abandoned. I often feel like others let me down. Parang nagdadrama talaga. Baka kasi yung person mo, pwede kasi yung person mo is hindi ganun ka-active yung kanyang lifestyle kumpara sa'yo. Na tipong pwedeng ikaw may business ka, CEO ka, o kaya maganda yung takbo ng career mo, merong manager, mataas yung position mo sa trabaho. And your person is someone na parang, okay lang, ganun. Kaya may insecurities. Oo. I wanted to send you a message today, but I was afraid to. I don't know if you want to hear from me or if I can say the right things to you. So, medyo may naiilang, no? Possible that your person is nag-aano rin siya, nag-iingat rin siya sa mga sasabihin niya sa'yo. Kasi pwedeng, ayaw niya na ma-offend ka or ayaw niya na mainis ka or magalit ka. Playfulness. Alam niyo, kailangan niyo lang ng mag-spend ng time together. Kasi minsan, parang ino-overthink niyo lang yung relationship. Especially your person. So, pwede itong reversal yung roles, ha. Pwedeng ikaw yung na-insecure sa partner mo, na tipong pakiramdam mo, hindi mo natatapatan yung status niya, yung level niya. Kaya parang you feel abandoned. But, I think you have to spend more time together para mas makakonect ka sa kanya on a deeper level na pantay-pantay lang tayo dito, no? Magkakaiba lang yung role natin dito sa buhay. But individually, spiritually, we're equal. Okay? Ayan, no? You may need to release your past hurt and be open for forgiveness. I think this is you forgiving yourself. Miracles and blessings. Everything has its gift. So, ito yung reminder sa'yo, Taurus, na whether ikaw yung nai-insecure or may nai-insecure sa'yo, lahat tayo unique. Meron tayong sarili nating gifts na binigay si God, ang universe, na pwede nating ipagmalaki. Okay? So, if your person is someone like this, na nag-open up siya sa'yo, na nai-insecure siya sa'yo, sa success mo, sabihin mo sa kanya, no, you are successful in your own right. Kailangan lang, tinatanggap mo yung sarili mo for who you really are. Diba? Okay, so that's for in a relationship. Now, let's go naman sa mga single na Taurus. Single na Taurus, what's coming sa kanila? Sa inyo. So, let's see. Meron bang magpapakilig sa'yo ngayon? Meron bang interested sa'yo? May new love ba na parating sa mga singles na Taurus? Talagang you are patiently waiting. Uy, meron, Taurus. Oh my God. Pwedeng ito ay foreigner or nagtatrabaho sa abroad. Or someone na makikilala mo while you are traveling or someone na makikilala mo sa ibang bansa. Okay? But this is a very positive energy, especially kung hindi mo minabadali ang isang connection, ang isang relationship. Kasi ang importante is confident ka sa sarili mo at yung confidence na yan, magsha-shine yan sa'yo and it will attract potential romantic connections. Yes, you may be attracting a Sagittarius, a Capricorn, a Leo, and water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Uy, pwedeng ito ay kaibigan, magsisimula sa pagkakaibigan. I also see na yung iba kung kayo ay bibisita sa isang kaibigan nyo, like bibisita kayo sa bahay nila, at nandun din yung isa sa mga kaibigan niya, pwedeng magkaroon ng spark sa isang kaibigan, common friend. Someone who is close to you na to no? Ito yung tipong hindi siya bago sa'yo parang meron na kayong connection. Pwedeng in the past, magkaklase kayo or for some reasons, nakapag-connect na kayo before but not romantically. Or yung iba naman sa inyo, may past life connection kayo na parang soulmate connection and you feel na merong closeness right away nung nakilala mo. This situation is being caused by both of us. Look at your own role in this situationship to help us change it. Mirror. So, parang you are mirroring each other. Parang nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa kanya. So, pag ganun yung nararamdaman mo, then maybe that is the person for you. Mirror na naman, no? Separated or together, we are working in tandem with each other. See? I feel like, yung iba sa inyo, this is a past life connection. Na merong certain energies around you na parang feeling mo matagal mo na siyang kilala kahit bagong kakilala mo lang. Forgiveness. Releasing from your past. I feel like, meron kayong naging past ng person na to na meron siyang mga bagay na hindi sinabi sa'yo. Like, pwedeng hindi niya inamin sa'yo or parang itinago sa'yo na parang feeling mo niloko ka niya. But I think yan ay isasantabi mo na kasi you're going to forgive this person. So pwedeng in the past friends kayo tapos for some reasons nawalan ka ng tiwala sa kanya and ngayon nagkaroon ulit kayo ng reconnection and then parang nilet go mo na yon. O diba? Oh my God, forgiveness. Nothing is gained by holding on to past disappointments. Sa iba sa inyo, disappointed kayo sa person na to in the past. Oo. Parang pwedeng nung college kayo or nung magkakilala kayo in the past, hindi kayo magkasundo. Or may nagawa siyang kalokohan sa'yo na ngayon nilet go mo na, pinatawad mo na. And then you will realize na, may certain pull, merong certain connection, may energy around you na parang attracted kayo sa isa't isa. So, pwedeng siya na. Okay? Like what I mentioned, pwede rin tong past life connection. So, just take however it resonates sa situation ninyo. Pwede kasing kayo ay uh, in the past, in your past life, you were somehow connected intimately, no? In your past. Kaya parang you feel like magaan yung pakiramdam. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye!